Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this video we have another reading. It's a very short video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright everybody, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm going to read the story so you can listen, and when we are done with reading, so I'll get back and then I'll explain the keywords and phrases, so this way you will understand how each sentence is structured and how they are conjugated. So in this way you can understand each vocabulary and phrases, and you'll also be able to make your own sentences. Alright everybody, now let's go ahead and read the story together. هنر قناعت. یک روز پسر جوان به نام احمد در یک دهکده زندگی میکرد. او از پدرش درخواست کرد تا برش یک بایسکل بخره. پدر گفت: پسرم، چیزی که ما در این وقت داریم بر خرید بایسکل کافی نیست. اما تو میتونی صبر کنی و در این مدت با پای خود رفت آمد کنی. احمد کم ناراحت شد، اما پس از اندک فکر کرد و گفت: خب پدر، من با پای خود رفت آمد میکنم و صبر میکنم. هفته ها گذشت. احمد هر روز مسیر مکتب با پای خود رفت آمد میکرد. یک روز پدرش با خنده به او گفت: اکنون پسرم، ما برای خرید بایسکل پول کافی داریم. بیا بریم و برات بایسکل بخرم. اما احمد با لبخند گفت: پدر، من دیگه احتیاج به بایسکل ندارم. از رفتن با پای لذت میبرم و بدنم نیز قوی شده است. نتیجه داستان: قناعت، صبر و تنظیم کردن زندگی ما را بهتر از هر چیز دیگر قوی میسازد. Alright everybody, now it is time to break down the key phrases and words in English. So what I'm going to do, so first I'm going to read and then I'm going to break down all the key words and expressions into English. Okay, let's get started. So the title of this lesson or this reading is هنر قناعت. هنر is art, قناعت is satisfaction. So the art of satisfactory or satisfaction. یک روز پسر جوان به نام احمد در یک دهکده زندگی میکرد. So یک روز, a day, a boy, پسر جوان, a young boy به نام احمد, named احمد, در یک دهکده. دهکده here means village. lived, زندگی میکرد, he lived in a village. از پدرش درخواست کرد. So he asked from his father or requested. از پدرش درخواست کرد. او از پدرش درخواست کرد it means or از پدرش درخواست کرد it means he requested or he asked his father تا برش یک بایسکل بخره. So he could buy him a bicycle or a bike. پدر گفت, the father said, پسرم، چیزی که ما در این وقت داریم, so for now what we have بر خرید بایسکل کافی نیست. It is not enough for buying a bike or buying a bicycle. اما تو میتونی صبر کنی. But you can wait. صبر کنی it means to wait. و در این مدت با پای خود رفت آمد کنی. So you can commute by walking or by foot. So رفت آمد کردن is to commute. احمد کم ناراحت شد. ناراحت شدن here it means he became a little upset. کم ناراحت شد he became a little upset. اما پس از اندک فکر گفت. Then after a little thought or a little thinking he said, گفت, اندک it means a little. فکر گفت, so he said after thinking, خب پدر، من با پای خود رفت آمد میکنم و صبر میکنم. He said, okay father, من با پای خود رفت آمد میکنم. I'll commute by walking or by foot. و صبر میکنم and I'll wait. هفته ها گذشت. احمد هر روز مسیر مکتب با پای خود رفت آمد میکرد. So هفته ها گذشت it means weeks passed. So احمد هر روز مسیر مکتب با پای خود رفت آمد میکرد. So he would commute on his foot or by walking. He would just walk and just come from school. یک روز پدرش با خنده به او گفت. One day his father smiled and said, اکنون means now. پسرم، ما بر خرید بایسکل پول کافی داریم. Now we have enough money for the bike or for the bicycle. پول کافی it means enough money. بیا بریم و برات بخرم. یعنی برات بایسکل بخرم. Now let's go and buy you a bicycle. اما احمد با لبخند گفت: But Ahmad smiled and said, پدر من دیگه احتیاج به بایسکل ندارم. Dad, I don't need. So احتیاج, it means احتیاج ندارم. I don't need a bicycle anymore. دیگه means anymore. I don't need a bicycle anymore. از رفتن با پای لذت میبرم. I like or I enjoy walking. لذت میبرم here it means enjoy. و بدنم نیز قوی شده. And my body is also strong or has become strong. He would commute to the school and back home, like he would always walk. So now his body became so strong by walking. So now he's saying to his dad, my body has become so strong, I don't need a bicycle. Okay, نتیجه داستان. So the result of this story. So literally that is what it means, but it's the equivalent of the moral of this story. So what is the moral of this story? قناعت is like satisfaction. قناعت, satisfaction. صبر و تنظیم کردن زندگی. صبر is waiting or being patient و تنظیم کردن زندگی and arranging the life ما را بهتر از هر چیز دیگر قوی می سازد. So satisfaction, patience and arranging our lives would make us strong more than anything. Like it would make us very strong. Okay, everybody, that is the end of the story for today's lesson. So hopefully you liked this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you want to be notified, you can turn the bell icon on. So this way you will be notified when there is a new lesson uploaded on our YouTube channel. By the way, if you want to study with one of our tutors, I gotta say, with our expert tutors who've been teaching Dari Dari, Uzbek, Pashto in English for almost 7 or 6 years for now. So yeah, you can check our try lessons links down in the description. So we put all the information down there so you can check, and if you want to study, so you can definitely WhatsApp us or you can visit our website at www.gaplanguages.com. Okay, everybody, that is the end of the video for today. Hopefully you liked, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.